Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP Envy 6055 printer on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search your HP Envy 6055 drivers and search for that. Best results, you come back with a support.hp.com webpage here that says HP Envy 6055 all-in-one printer software and drivers. Open that up, and now on this page you want to scroll down and you want to select the item that says installation software and drivers and select the setup software here. There is an offline version available that was right below it if you do not have internet access or you're transferring it from another device. But once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and just open up that file to extract the contents. Should be a verified signed publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the installation setup guide here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.